students, as you know, we are reading the major landforms of the earth. Today's our topic is plateaus. A plateau is a large mass of comparatively flat land that rises abruptly means suddenly, from the surrounding area. Its surface is undulating. Undulating means undulating, having a smoothly rising and falling. And it usually has steep slopes on one or more sides. It is also called a tableland. So, a plateau is an area of a highland usually consisting of relatively flat surface that is raised above the surrounding area, often with one or more sides with deep hills. It is also called high plain or tableland. Based on formation, plateaus can be classified into three types: tectonic plateaus, residual plateaus, and volcanic plateaus. First is tectonic plateaus. During the continental drift is the gradual movement of the continents across the Earth's surface through geological time. The ancient landmass got separated. Today, it exists as continental blocks in various continents. They are called tectonic plateaus. Tectonic plateaus has the relief feature which mainly produce uplift or subsidence of the Earth's crust. Depending on their location, these plateaus can be continental, intermontane, or piedmont. Continental plateaus rise abruptly from the adjacent lowland or sea. Adjacent means close to or near something. कॉन्टिनेंटल प्लेट्यूज सी या लो लैंड के पास अचानक राइज हो जाते हैं बिकॉज दे आर बॉर्डर्ड ऑन ऑल साइड्स बाय प्लेन्स और ओशंस. Intermontane plateaus are enclosed by mountain ranges. Intermontane plateaus are enclosed by mountain ranges because they are located between mountains or mountain systems. And Piedmont plateaus are formed at the foot of the mountains. Piedmont plateaus जो हैं फुट हिल्स पे बनते हैं. फुट हिल्स मीन्स अ लो हिल एट द बेस ऑफ ए माउंटेन और माउंटेन रेंज. नेक्स्ट इज रेजिजुअल प्लेट्यूज. ओल्ड फोल्ड और ब्लॉक माउंटेन्स worn down by millions of years of erosion sometimes get converted to plateaus. So what are old fold or block mountains? Already we have discussed in our previous videos. So residual mountains are those mountains which have been eroded by the agents of degradation such as winds, rain, frost and running water. The hard rocks that are left behind are called residual mountains. And now volcanic plateaus. Volcanic eruption leads to formation of layers of lava sheets These solidify to form volcanic plateaus. A volcanic plateau is a plateau produced by volcanic activity. A volcanic plateau is a wide flat surface formed when a large amount of lava flows over an area. This thin and runny lava can spread over large areas, and as the lava cools, it forms the large flat plateaus of rock. Next is importance of plateaus. Plateaus are useful to us in the following ways. Plateaus are a storehouse of minerals. In India, the Deccan and Chota Nagpur plateaus have vast reserves of coal, iron, ore, manganese and bauxite. प्लेट्यूज जो हैं वो बहुत से मिनरल्स का स्टोर हाउस होते हैं। जैसे इंडिया के डेक्कन और छोटा नागपुर प्लेट्यूज में कोल, आयरन और मैग्नीज और बॉक्साइट के भंडार हैं। Rivers in the plateau regions form a number of waterfalls as they drop abruptly down the steep slopes. These waterfalls are utilized for generating hydroelectricity. जो रिवर्स प्लेट्यूज से निकलती हैं वहाँ बहुत से वाटरफॉल्स बनते हैं जहाँ सीधी और तीखी ढलानों से पानी ऊपर से तेज़ी से नीचे आता है और इन वाटरफॉल्स पर हाइड्रो प्रोजेक्ट्स लगाकर हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी यानी पानी से बिजली पैदा की जाती है। द विक्टोरिया फॉल्स इन अफ्रीका, Niagara Falls in North America and the Jog Falls in India are some examples of these types of waterfalls. Volcanic plateaus extremely fertile and good for cultivation of cotton and sugarcane. Volcanic plateaus जो हैं वो कॉटन और शुगर केन की खेती के लिए बहुत उपजाऊ होते हैं। The natural beauty of the plateau areas also attracts many tourists. प्लेट्यूज की जो नेचुरल ब्यूटी है वो बहुत से टूरिस्ट को अपनी ओर आकर्षित करती है। Thanks students. In our next video we will read about plains.